You have to learn. Not only in STEM lab, in your day-to-day life also, you have to learn this soldering. Okay, soldering is nothing but you're joining two or three metals. Okay, metal part or if you two metals or two or more metals, if you're joining through a metal itself, that is called soldering. Okay, I have two metals, so in between there is a gap, so I want to join it now, then we will use the soldering. Okay, right? So in the fan, sometimes fan will not work. Okay, sometimes washing machine, sometimes the AC. Okay, it will not work. If you see now, the rat will bite the wires and all. So that what will happen? The connectivity will be not there. Okay, we will call a electrician and we will make it, right? Okay, so I am an electronics and communication engineer. Okay, my father is triple, okay, electrical and engineering. Okay, so my mom, she have learned only accounts. She will do all the electrician work and she was always teasing us. Waste of money, you both study the electronics communication, he is sitting like that. My father electrical, he is sitting like that. I am doing all the. She herself will do all the work. Okay, so that's how. It is not about knowledge or it's not about you have to learn engineering for that. Okay, easily you can do it by yourself itself. If you have a soldering machine, okay, so you want to see. I will ask my mom. Many wires are there. How are you connecting these things and all? Okay, she will take. I'll check this one, working, no working. Okay, check. Okay, this is working. I'll do it. I told her, if you do like that, it will get short circuit. I don't go like that. She tell. Seriously, not what I thought my mom is doing. After all, I able to know that every moms do like that only. Okay, they will not call us. Okay, even I have electronics. Go electronics, electrical waste. She will do herself and she will call us. She will not call for the help. Our mom will not call for the help. She will do herself and she will scold us. Waste of money and instead of you, that one word from all the mothers. What? Instead of you, I can go to the engineering. Instead of you, I will get good marks. Like that she will do. Okay. So the same thing. Same thing. So you can do it by yourself. It's not about you want to learn engineering or not. Okay. Soldering is all about connecting two metals using metal. Why we have to use a metal for connecting two metals? Conductivity. Then only there will be a conductivity. Otherwise there will be no conductivity. Okay. So we are going to use a soldering machine. Okay. So and we have a this is the soldering machine. Okay. Soldering iron. Okay. We will call this one. There is a thing that is called soldering iron. Okay. Soldering rod or soldering iron. It will get heated. You can set the temperature 200 degree, 220 degree, 240 degree, whatever. Okay, so you can set the temperature. That is called soldering iron. Okay, this is called soldering lead. You are going to connect two metals with one metal, right? What is that metal? Lead. Okay, soldering lead, soldering iron. Okay, two things are there. Soldering iron and soldering lead. Okay, so this soldering lead will get melted if you keep the soldering iron in the lead. Okay, this soldering iron it will get heated. Soldering lead will be separately, it will be there, so that if you get it to the contact now, it will get melted. Okay, so what is this? Soldering lead. Okay, this is soldering lead. Okay, so this is how the soldering station will be up. Okay, you can adjust the temperature. Okay, this is adjustable soldering station. Sometimes non-adjustable will also be there. In that you can't adjust the temperature. If you put like a heater, the old water heater are there, right? If you put now, it will get heated by itself. You will put it in a water like that. So this is adjustable. Okay, this is costlier. Nowadays they are selling the normal soldering iron also. You put it in the plug point, turn on, it will get heated. But we can't adjust the temperature. Okay, so here if you have this one, now you can adjust the temperature. Okay, you will adjust the temperature. Okay, Okay, picking it up the, what is that? Soldering. Okay. Right. So you should hold the soldering lead like a pen. How you are holding a pen, you have to hold like that. Okay. Everyone will have different style, but as a professional, you have to hold the soldering iron like a
Pen.
pen. Okay. You should not hold like this. Now, more than the nozzle, it will get 300 degrees Celsius. Okay, if it is get burned now, okay, it only takes 3 to 4 years to recover. Okay, so be careful. You want to hold the soldering iron like this. Okay, so it is better to hold like this. If you are holding like that now, you can't go for a particular angle. It will be tough for you, the joint. If you are holding like this now, you can go, the angle will be very free for you. Okay, then this is the soldering leg. Okay, so soldering iron is there. So we have fixed the temperature and this is the stand for it. Okay, what we will do now, we will heat it and we will keep it in floor. We will keep it in where? Tiles, table now. The table will get burned. Okay, you should keep it in stand only. It is better to keep it in stand. Okay, stand, right? Okay, next step. This is the tip of the soldering iron, and what is that? Like what is this?
Lead.
Lead. Okay. So lead will be you are holding in one hand, and soldering iron will be in
Another hand.
Okay. Soldering lead will be in one hand, soldering iron will be in another hand. Next array. You want to change. So this is the wire. Okay, you will get a wire. You can solder the wire also, as I said before. Okay, sir, you told only we can connect metals only, sir. How we connect wire now?
This is also metal.
Inside it is metal. Okay, if you keep the soldering here, now it will get
Burned.
Okay, you want to remove the top layer and you want to keep the soldering in the copper. Okay, the metal. Right? Okay, next. Sir. Sir. Okay, you will just twist the two wires. Okay, the rat bite the main wire now. One wire will be here, one wire will be here. So you will twist the wire. Then you have to keep the soldering. Okay. Sir. Okay. He skipped the. Sorry, change it. Okay, trim, okay. Trim is nothing but we have kept very long now. You can keep as a dot and you can cut the ends. Main thing that the wires that you are joining has to be very little bit. If it is very long now, so it will be, you have to keep the soldering for the whole thing. So what you have to do? Cut the ends and the ends let it be very small and keep the solder. Okay, next. Okay, next. Okay, for sir, what is this? Sir, no one asked. So this is called flex. Okay, flex is nothing but after soldering, some of the things will be get pasted in the soldering iron. Some lead will be there. To clean that, you can keep it in the flex. Okay, so some of the you can see here. Some of this lead will be pasted here. Okay, so to clean that we will use the flex because it will get melted and it will stick to the iron. Okay, I want to clean that now. We will use the flex for cleaning it. Next step. Next. That's all. Okay, that's all. Right. So this is how we have to do it. Okay. Now I'll give you one board. You have that board, right? Everything or what? Solder. Okay. When you design a PCB, sir, I want to be a PCB. This is called PCB. Okay, a board. Sir, I want to be a PCB designer, sir. Now you can design it. When you are buying this board, now, okay, only this black color board, right? You will get that only that black color board. All other components and all, what we have to do?
We have to come in.
We have to solder. Okay. Literally we have to solder. When after the manufacturing, only this black color board. So the board will come like this only. plain bowl, it will be come like this only. Okay. They will keep the components and they will solder. Okay. In my office, okay, we are manufacturing many boats. Okay. I will design the boat and so I'll give to the a person. It will get manufactured and it will come to us. Okay. One person is there for doing the soldering. Okay. For one boat soldering, literally one boat, the small boat. Okay, this much of boat is there, right? For one boat soldering, he will ask, depends on the boat. Okay. For one boat soldering, he will ask 500 rupees. One boat. He will solder in a day, literally he will solder 500 to 600 boats. Okay, I'm weak in maths, you just calculate. 600 into 500. Okay, that much he will earn in one day. Literally one day. If complication is there, listen here. So here, if you see now, small components are there, right?
Yes, sir.
Small components are there. That is called SMD. Okay, SMD means small. Resistor will be big, resistor will be small, resistor is also there. Okay, if the boats become very compact now, he will ask more money. Okay, because it is very minute. If we miss any one of the soldering or if we get contact with another device, another component, one resistor is here, one resistor is here. Okay, if he solder with this like this now, then the board will not work. Even a small thing, small resistor, small capacitor, if it get contact, it will not work. You have to solder separately. That's why they are asking that much of. Designing is easy. My work is easy, designing. Okay, but soldering is, yeah. Okay, so I'll tell you this thing. In our, not only in our office, in most of the company, the soldering is done by machines are there. Okay, machines are there, but they will ask more money for that. Okay, mostly girls will do the soldering. Mostly girls will do the soldering than boys. Why?
Patience.
Eyes, but their eyes are not working.
Patience.
Eyes is okay. Everyone has it. Patience. Yeah, they will do it. Even if I give 100 board, 200 board, ma'am will do it. Okay, but after 50th board, we will get. Okay, go. We will do tomorrow. But most of the time, the soldering will done by the girls. They will do slowly and correctly. For us, though Narayana, I give to Narayana that day, what the Vimos. Okay, you have what you have done? You have mixed everything and cut that water I have done, but it is working. Okay, but it is working. But yeah, but whatever you want, even you don't have that. What? Not only Narayana, that voice, Sai, everyone. Okay, so yeah, so that is how. So mostly girls will do soldering better than boys. Okay, right, boys. We have to prove ourselves.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So now I'll give you one board. This board I'll give you. This is a plain PCB board. Plain PCB. Okay, this is a PCB board or perf board. They will call it as perf. PERF. Perf board. Yeah. So it is a perf board. Okay. LED. So perf board is there. I'll give you one LED. Each person, I'll give you one LED. One board. Okay, wheelchair. So here, anywhere you want, doesn't matter. You insert what? LED. Okay. Now LED will get inserted. Fully you have to insert. Fully. I want to see only LED. Okay. As much as possible, fully you insert the LED. Okay. Now at back side, what we have to do? Second step. Cut the extended. Okay. So cut it. Don't cut fully. Little bit you should have. Then only you can keep the soldering. Okay. Cut the extra parts. Yeah. Cut the extra parts. Okay. So I'll take this. I'll cut the extra thing. Okay. Okay, I will cut the extra thing, right? Then Then what do you have to do?
We have to solve.
Trim already done, na?
Shoulder.
Huh? Fish. Okay.
We have to
Here then, if you twist plus and minus, now what will happen? That is only for
Bias.
YS is different. Okay. Here we have to keep the directly what you have to keep? Solving. But main condition is there. You have inserted in one hole, right? That hole and above or below the hole should not
Connected to
should not touch. You have to keep it like one dot. That only in that hole you should have the solder. Sir, if you like a paint, if you do it now, if I connect another person connect the second LED here now, it will not work. Only that small hole where is this one LED in that hole only you have to keep the soldering little bit like this you have to keep. Okay? If you touch below or above, failure. Okay, sir, what we have to do, sir? I have done like Narayana is my inspiration. I have done like paint, sir. What I want to do? Nothing. No problem. Keep the same soldering iron. Where it is extra, you want to little bit drag it out. It will come. Keep the same either object in that particular place now. Then it will come out. You want to click it and you want to drag it. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So our 9th standard boys will guide you. Okay, don't worry. They are soldering expert. Okay. So we have teachers also who are soldering expert. So we will send them to your places. Only we have